Bonded Trump antes up after judge rejects stay on Jean Carroll damages. For Donald Trump, delay may be the order of the day, but the former president just got overruled. Trump had asked for yet another delay from Judge Lewis Kaplan, who presided over both the rape case and the sexual assault case brought by Jean Carroll, and in his denial Kaplan didn't hold back. The judge made it clear exactly who is both at fault for and responsible for Trump's current mess, leaving the former president to surrender and secure a bond. Trump's latest request for delay asked for just a few extra weeks, while post-trial motions were wrapped up. When Kaplan pointed out that no such motions had been filed, Alina Habba and the rest of Trump's legal team quickly produced a few motions full of arguments indistinguishable from the ones the judge had already rejected in the courtroom. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when we post great videos. Let us know your possible suggestions by leaving your comments below. The question was closed Thursday evening with a new order, denying the request for a further stay. Kaplan also called Trump out for delaying the filing to begin with, not arranging his finances in preparation for the judgment, and failing to show evidence for what he claims. For what Kaplan wrote, Mr. Trump's current situation is a result of his own dilatory actions. He has had since January 26 to organize his finances with the knowledge that he might need to bond this judgment. Yet he waited until 25 days after the jury verdict, and only shortly before the expiration of Rule 62's automatic 30-day stay of judgment to file his prior motion for an unsecured or partially secured stay pending resolution of post-trial motions. The order goes on to reject Trump's argument that having to pay the $83 million before the post-trial motions were handled would be an irreparable injury, saying that for legal purposes, the cost of additional litigation doesn't fall under that umbrella. Even if it did, the judge adds, Trump has not offered any documentation to show why posting a bond would hurt him, such as the terms available to him from bond agents, or what assets he might offer to secure payment, or any other circumstances relevant to the situation. Without any actual showing of fact from Trump, Kaplan gave a firm no Trump, having few alternatives remaining, shared Friday morning that he had secured a $92 million bond through federal insurance company and requested that the court accept it. Judge Kaplan is giving Carroll and her legal team until Monday to file any opposition. Judging from this post about her attorney from Jean Carroll's Substack page, it seems like that is unlikely, much to the benefit of anyone happening to be walking past Trump Tower next week. While Trump has found someone to put up the money that will allow him to appeal the Jean Carroll case, he is still on the hook for hundreds of millions to cover his bond to appeal the New York fraud trial damages. Whether he can use the same company that fronted him the money for this bond remains to be seen. That's what we have for you today. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that share button.